Do you feel shy or nervous when speaking English in daily life?
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn simple English you can use every day.
Good morning, Arabella. You look very relaxed today.
Good morning, Arthur. I feel great. I slept very well last night.
That's nice to hear. Did you eat breakfast yet?
Not yet. I want to get some coffee first. How about you?
Same here. I can't start my day without coffee.
There is a small cafe near my house.
Oh yes, I know that place. It's quiet and comfortable.
Exactly. Do you want to go there together?
Sure. What do you usually order?
I usually order a latte. It's not too strong.
I like black coffee, but sometimes I try new drinks.
That's a good idea. Trying new things is fun.
Let's go now before it gets crowded.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Now, let's listen again. This time, just listen. Don't speak.
Great job. Now listen one more time and repeat after us.
Ready? Let's repeat together, slowly.
Let's learn some useful words from the conversation.
Not yet means something has not happened, but it will happen later.
I didn't eat breakfast yet.
How about you? Is a friendly way to ask the same question back.
I like coffee. How about you?
Try something new means do something different.
I want to try a new drink today.
It gets crowded means many people come to one place.
The cafe gets crowded in the morning.
Now it's your turn to speak.
Answer these questions out loud.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
What is your favorite drink?
Do you like to try new food or drinks?
Great job. Speaking out loud helps your English grow fast.
Today, you learned a simple daily English conversation.
You practiced listening, vocabulary, and speaking. That's amazing.
Watch this video again and practice every day.
Don't forget, making mistakes is okay. Keep going.
See you in the next lesson on Chatify English.